You can actually enjoy desserts without worrying about your health. Welcome to a world where you can have your cake and eat it too. The world of healthy desserts. Today we're taking a sweet journey into this realm, exploring the magic of desserts that don't compromise on taste or your well-being. We'll be sharing 3 easy-to-make recipes that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping things light and healthy. So, get ready to indulge in sweetness, guilt-free. First up, a creamy avocado chocolate mousse that will melt in your mouth. Now you may be thinking, avocados in my dessert? But trust me, this is a match made in heaven. The buttery texture of ripe avocados lends itself perfectly to this velvety, indulgent mousse. And the best part, it's packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber. So what will you need for this culinary masterpiece? The ingredients list is simple and straightforward. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of honey, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's it. 4 ingredients for a dessert that's not only delicious, but also guilt-free. Now, let's walk through the steps of preparing this mousse. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Halve and pit the avocados, then scoop out the flesh and place it in a food processor or blender. Step 2. Add the cocoa powder, honey and vanilla extract. Now blend until smooth. You're looking for a creamy, lump-free consistency here. If it's too thick, you can add a splash of almond milk or water to thin it out. Step 3. Once you've achieved the right consistency, transfer the mousse to serving dishes and chill in the fridge for at least an hour. This allows the flavors to meld together and gives the mousse that perfect pudding-like texture. And just like that, you've created a decadent dessert that's brimming with nutrients. This avocado chocolate mousse is the perfect treat for anyone looking to satisfy their sweet tooth without derailing their health goals. It's creamy, it's chocolatey, and it's oh so satisfying. So, next time you're in the mood for something sweet, why not whip up a batch of this mousse? It's a dessert that you can feel good about eating, and it's proof that healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. And there you have it, a rich chocolatey dessert that's as healthy as it is delicious. Next, we move on to a refreshing Greek yogurt berry parfait. This delectable dessert is a medley of creamy Greek yogurt, a burst of colorful mixed berries, a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, and a crunch of granola. Not only is this parfait visually appealing, it's also a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. Let's begin with Greek yogurt, the base of our parfait. Known for its creamy texture and tangy taste, Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of protein and probiotics. It's a perfect choice for those looking to boost their digestive health or add some extra protein to their diet. Next, we have our mixed berries, a vibrant blend of blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. These berries are not just there for their bright colors and sweet taste. They're loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, promoting heart health and boosting your immune system. Now let's add a drizzle of honey. While it imparts a natural sweetness to the parfait, honey is also known for its antibacterial properties and can even soothe a sore throat. Plus, it's a healthier option than refined sugar. The final touch to our parfait is the granola. It adds a delightful crunch and is a great source of fiber. Granola can help you feel full longer, aiding in weight management. Now let's put it all together. Start with a layer of Greek yogurt at the bottom of your glass. Then add a layer of mixed berries, followed by a drizzle of honey. Repeat this process until your glass is filled to the top. Finish off with a generous sprinkle of granola on top. And there you have it. Voila! A dessert that's both satisfying and packed with nutrients. With its combination of protein, antioxidants, and fiber, this Greek yogurt berry parfait is a delicious way to keep your health in check. So the next time you're craving something sweet, why not reach for a dessert that's as good for you as it is delicious? Enjoy. Finally, a tropical treat. Coconut milk mango popsicles. This recipe is a delightful blend of natural sweetness and creamy goodness, sure to transport your taste buds to a tropical paradise. Let's start with the ingredients. First, we need ripe mangoes. Mangoes are not only delicious, but they're also packed with vitamins A and C, making this treat a healthy choice. The riper the mango, the sweeter your popsicle will be. Next, we have the coconut milk, the creaminess of our popsicles. This tropical ingredient is a great source of healthy fats and gives our popsicles a velvety texture that's hard to resist. Opt for full-fat coconut milk to ensure the best consistency. Lastly, we need honey. This natural sweetener is better for you than refined sugar and adds an extra layer of flavor to our popsicles. Just a little bit goes a long way. Now let's dive into the process of making these popsicles. Begin by peeling and chopping the mangoes. Once done, put them in a blender. Add coconut milk and honey, and blend until you have a smooth mixture. To assemble the popsicles, pour the mixture into popsicle molds. If you don't have popsicle molds, no worries. Small paper cups and wooden sticks would work just fine. Then place the molds in the freezer. It's best to leave them overnight, but if you're in a hurry, 6 to 8 hours should suffice. Once they're frozen solid, run the molds under warm water for a few seconds to easily remove the popsicles. And there you have it, coconut milk mango popsicles. A tropical, creamy, and healthy dessert that's perfect for hot summer days or whenever you need a sweet treat. These are not only delicious but also a healthier alternative to store-bought popsicles, which are often loaded with added sugars and artificial flavors. Now you have a cooling, fruity dessert that's perfect for summer days. You've just learned how to make 3 scrumptious, health-conscious desserts. Let's take a moment to recap and dive into the health benefits of each of these sweet treats. Our first recipe was the avocado chocolate mousse. This delightful dessert not only has the creamy, rich texture you crave, but it also boasts a powerhouse of nutrition. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. The dark chocolate adds a dose of antioxidants, making this mousse a dessert that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Next, we whipped up a Greek yogurt berry parfait. This refreshing treat is a perfect balance of sweet and tart, with layers of creamy Greek yogurt, juicy berries, and crunchy granola. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which support gut health. Berries, on the other hand, are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. This parfait is a dessert that truly nourishes from the inside out. Lastly, we chilled out with coconut milk mango popsicles. These tropical popsicles are a delightful way to cool down on a hot day, and they're brimming with health benefits too. Mangoes are a rich source of vitamins A and C, while coconut milk provides beneficial fats and a creamy texture. Plus, these popsicles are free from refined sugars, making them a healthier choice for a sweet treat. All 3 of these recipes show that desserts can be more than just an indulgence. They can be a delicious way to incorporate more nutrients into your diet. Each dessert we've explored today is packed with fiber, which aids digestion, beneficial fats that support heart health, and an array of vitamins that boost overall wellness. So, the next time you're craving something sweet, remember these recipes. You can satisfy your sweet tooth and nourish your body at the same time. After all, who said healthy eating has to be boring? With these recipes, you can satisfy your sweet tooth while still making healthy choices. Ready to take your dessert game to the next level? Now that we've gone through these scrumptious yet health-conscious dessert recipes, it's time for you to put on that chef's hat. Imagine the rich, creamy texture of the avocado chocolate mousse, the tangy freshness of the Greek yogurt berry parfait, and the tropical delight of coconut milk mango popsicles. All these right in your kitchen, made by your own hands. What's even more exciting is the fact that these aren't just desserts. They're a journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Every spoonful brings you closer to your health goals while satisfying your sweet tooth. And the best part? They're so simple to make, you'll wonder why you haven't tried them sooner. Now remember, cooking is an art, and art is all about sharing. So once you've created these delicious treats, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Did you add your own twist to the recipes? What was your family's reaction when they tasted these healthy desserts? Share your stories and creations in the comments. Let's create a community where we can inspire each other to make healthier choices, one dessert at a time. So, go ahead, preheat that oven, gather those ingredients, and let's start cooking. And of course, the journey doesn't stop here. There are plenty more recipes to explore, tips to learn, and health benefits to reap. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-conscious recipes. Stay sweet and healthy.